In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Next.js on Vercel. Before you begin, make sure your Next.js project is fully committed and pushed to a remote repository, such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. This is important because Vercel pulls your code directly from your repository, so the version you want to deploy needs to already be available online. If you've made local changes that haven't been pushed yet, take care of that first so the deployment reflects your latest code. Once that's ready, head over to Vercel and sign into your account. Vercel is designed to work especially well with Next.js, so the process is usually very smooth and beginner-friendly. After you're on the Vercel dashboard, look for the Add New option and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Project. This will start the process of creating a new deployment from one of your connected repositories. Next, find your Next.js repository in the list of available projects. When you locate the correct one, click Import. If you have a lot of repositories, it can help to double check the repository name carefully so you don't deploy the wrong project by mistake. Once you import the repository, you'll be taken to the configuration screen. In most cases, Vercel will automatically detect that your app uses Next.js. It will then pre-fill the framework preset and build settings for you. That automatic detection is one of the biggest advantages of using Vercel for a Next.js project because it removes a lot of manual setup and helps reduce errors. If your application depends on environment variables, this is the stage where you should add them. Expand the environment variables section and enter each key value pair your project requires. Be careful here because missing or incorrect environment variables can cause the build to fail or make parts of your app stop working after deployment. Also, avoid exposing any sensitive values publicly and make sure everything is entered exactly as your application expects. When everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Deploy button. Vercel will begin building your application and setting up your live production deployment. This usually only takes a few minutes. During this time, Vercel handles the build process for you and prepares a production URL where your site will be available online. Once the deployment is complete, your Next.js app will be live and accessible from the generated URL. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your Next.js project on Vercel.